Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Kumar and today I will show you how to create the Maven project. Here I am using the Spring Toolsuite IDE and here is the option to create the new Maven project. Here if you are not finding the Maven option, so we have to go to the other option and here you will get the inside the Maven project. Click on the next button and here we have to skip because I am not using the any archetype. Just we have to click on the next and here we have to provide the group id com.java.coding and here also provide the artifact id maven project and here also we have to select the version and packaging jar because this project built by the jar package. After building the package, jar will be generated and click on the finish. So here is the Maven project has been created successfully. Here is the structure of the Maven project. This is the pom.xml, this is the target. Inside the target nothing is there because we have not built yet to. And now we will click here is the pom.xml. In the pom.xml file there is the group id, artifact id, version. Also we can provide the dependency of this project. And now I will click on the project, right click and run maven build. Here we have to provide the command clean install to build this project. Just click on the run button. The Maven project is getting built. Building is started. Here we have got the build success. That means project has been built successfully. Now I will create the package inside com.java coding test finish. I will create the class inside this test class to test this project. Test, select the main method, finish, and here I will write the sys out to test this application. Welcome to Maven. Ctrl S. Now I will run this project. Right click, run Java application, and here we got the result. That means our Maven project is successfully built and run. So if you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.